Congratulations. Welcome to the most secure factory in the world. Today, I'll show you exactly how the US dollar is created, from raw cotton.
Security features are embedded before the paper even exists.
This exclusive substrate is tracked by the pound.
The process combines old-world artistry with modern tech. The master image is duplicated perfectly for mass production. Precision is key. A millimeter off ruins the batch. First, the paper undergoes offset printing to apply the subtle background colors. Then, the backs are printed using high-pressure Intaglio presses. The green ink must cure completely before we flip the sheets over. This raised printing gives the dollar its distinctive feel. Computer eyes scan every millimeter for imperfections. Now, the sheets enter the copy machine for the final touches that make them legal tender. Each bill is assigned to a specific Federal Reserve Bank. No two bills share the same serial number. It is their unique fingerprint. The fully printed sheets are now stacked, ready for the guillotine. massive sheets are sliced into individual notes with surgical precision. In seconds, sheets become thousands of individual bills. Ten straps make a bundle containing 1,000 bills. If a bill is defective, it's replaced by a star note to keep the count perfect.
Imperfection is not an option. Bad money is destroyed immediately.
Before it leaves, the currency sleeps in one of the most secure vaults on Earth.
Billions of dollars sit here in silence, waiting for distribution.
Every movement is watched. Every bill is accounted for.
That one right there.
Got it.
The journey from the vault to the bank requires armed escort at every step. These trucks are built like tanks, designed to withstand any attack. The convoy moves via secret routes, never stopping for anything.
Command, this is Unit 1. We are en route to the Federal Reserve. Sector 4 is clear.
Once signed over, this money officially enters the U.S. economy.
From the factory floor to your local ATM, the journey takes weeks.
Cotton and linen make it tough. A dollar can be folded 4,000 times before tearing.
But if you try to fake it, hidden physics will give you away.
And there you have it. That is the incredible engineering behind every single dollar in your pocket.
It's more than just paper. It's a symbol of trust, built on centuries of craftsmanship and security.
Precision, security, artistry.
What process should we film next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.